Finally here, the Blackview Tab 10. This comes with 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, Android 11, a 10.1 inch Full HD display, the MediaTek 8768 processor, a 7480 mAh battery, and let's open this thing. Alright, cool. So this also comes with a case, like one of the Tab 9. Bezels are kind of chunky. Back is plastic. Charging cable, charging brick, headphones. They're Type C headphones because this doesn't have a headphone jack. And our OTG adapter. And our manuals and our SIM ejector tool. So this does have dual SIM support. So first impressions, the design does look pretty good. Okay, first impressions, the display looks pretty good. So I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. So here we go, the tablet is all set up. It's actually not the fastest, but the speed is decent. So there's no fingerprint unlock sensor over here, but we have face unlock. All right, let's test it out. Now close up. So the face unlock it's decent, you know, it's pretty quick, it's consistent, at least in this environment. I don't know how it's gonna be like outside in different lighting conditions, but right now in my testing area it works fine. Okay, yeah, major stutter we got going on. Oh, wait, now it's better. Okay, so at first it was stuttering, but then it's like got smooth. So let's see without ads. Okay, so knife it, at first it kind of stutters, but then it kind of sorted itself out and it runs completely smooth after that. Windrider, I was expecting the frame rate to be higher than this, because right now it is, yeah, it's stuttering, lagging, which is weird because the knife it was flawless. Yeah, I don't know, man. I mean, you can play the game, it's just like very low frame rate and it's gonna stutter and yeah, not the best experience. Okay, so, okay, yeah, it's kind of stuttering. No, I don't want to jump a few. All right, now the game is smooth. So let's just double check our graphics. All right, so these are the lowest graphics. And yeah, for a screen this big, this game doesn't look the best, but at least it performs decently enough. You know, no major lag or stutter. Our frame rate is consistent. So you can play PUBG on this tablet, just not gonna be the best like graphics, obviously. So first off, the video viewing experience, it's not the best I've ever seen, but for the price, it's perfectly acceptable. The speakers are also pretty good. They get pretty loud, and there's no distortion, and the overall quality is pretty decent. Rear camera is 30 megapixels, front camera is 8 megapixels, rear video is full HD, front video is also full HD, but they come preset up at 720p, so you're gonna wanna tap it so it'll be full HD, so you just tap over here, and you're gonna have your options, and you just tap full HD right over there. Now let's take our first selfie. Let's go outside. Rear facing video on the Blackview Tab 10. Front facing video on the Blackview Tab 10. Is it just me, or does it look kind of cinematic? Let me know what you think overall of the video and picture quality. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So should you buy this tablet? I think for $150, it is a pretty good deal. So the display is pretty good, the speakers are pretty good, cameras are okay. The performance is kind of meh, you know, I expected a bit more. 64, like only 64 gigs for a tablet like this. It's a bit too little because most people are gonna buy this for like media consumption, and 64 gigs in 2021, it's just not as good. It's just not that much anymore. However, you can put a micro SD slot in this device, so it's not completely hopeless. However, if you want to use dual SIMs on this tablet, then you won't be able to use a micro SD card, but I can't think of anyone who would want to use two SIMs on a tablet. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.